Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Petrol Heat 40p from Germany. I want to show you a little unboxing video of my Zard exhaust system, of my Sport exhaust system. You can show here the catalyst of the parts. The quality of the parts is very amazing. You can see here the carbon fiber parts is real carbon fiber, and you can remove the DB killer of this exhaust system, and here you can show the number of this part. And the quality of the carbon parts are very amazing. I think it's beautiful in the details. You can see this is real carbon fiber, and here's another shield. Here are the screws and equipment. I think this is the best exhaust who is legal in Europe for the Sportster S. I love this bike, and I think this sport system is great for my bike, and I hope the sound is great. And yeah, here's my new tire, my front tire. I drive 4,000 kilometers and my tire is, it's very damaged. And I love this bike, it's very amazing. I love the performance. It's a very cool bike. You can drive anywhere. You can drive slowly, smoothly, you can drive fast. It's amazing and I love it. And here I have some tools for the exhaust. Yeah. Subscribe my channel and like my video, please. I hope you enjoy the video to see the parts from Zard, Italy. Zard. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.